Friend, have you ever heard of Godhra? It's a small city in Gujarat. People say it's a very old city, it's seen a lot. Today we're going to walk through the streets of Godhra, listen to its story, understand its life. For some people, Godhra is just a name, the name of a place. So come on, friend, let's go on this journey together where we'll get to know Godhra up close, understand it, and maybe learn something new. Godhra, my friend, isn't a new city. It's a place steeped in history, a living testament to the passage of time. It's very old, so old that even Godhra probably doesn't remember. The stones and bricks that make up its ancient structures have witnessed countless generations. They say that when kings and emperors ruled, even then Godhra existed. It was a silent observer to the rise and fall of dynasties, a witness to the grandeur and the turmoil of bygone eras. A small settlement where caravans passed, traders came and went. These traders brought with them not just goods but also tales from distant lands, enriching the cultural tapestry of Godhra. And these caravans and traders, they didn't just bring goods, they brought their stories too. Stories of adventure, of love, of loss and of hope. They brought their customs, their culture. Each trader, each traveler left a piece of their world behind, adding to the rich mosaic that is Godhra. And Godhra, it embraced everyone. It became a melting pot of cultures, a place where diversity was celebrated and differences were cherished. Listening to their stories, Godhra itself became a story that has been passed down through generations, whispered in the winds that blow through its ancient streets. Even today, if you go to Godhra, you'll hear those old tales. Tales that have been kept alive by the people who call this place home. In those streets, in those houses, in those old temples and mosques, those stories are hidden. They are etched into the very fabric of the city, waiting to be discovered. All you need is someone to listen, someone to understand, someone who can hear the whispers of the past and appreciate the richness of the present. Those old forts, their walls have seen so much. They have stood tall through centuries, bearing witness to the ebb and flow of history. The rule of kings, the love of queens, the destruction of wars, they've seen it all. Each stone, each carving tells a story of its own. And if you look closely, you'll see it all on those walls. The intricate carvings, the ancient inscriptions, they all have a tale to tell. But friend, history isn't just in books. It's in the earth, in the air, in the hearts of the people. It's in the stories that are told and retold, in the memories that are cherished. It's in the earth, in the air, in the hearts of the people. It's in the stories that are told and retold, in the memories that are cherished. So next time you go to Godhra, don't just see a city, see a story, a saga. A place where the past and the present coexist, where every corner has a tale to tell. See a story, a saga, a place where the past and the present coexist, where every corner has a tale to tell. And as you walk through its streets, remember that you are part of this ongoing story, a chapter in the grand narrative of Godhra. Friend, it was February 27th, 2002. A day that started like any other, but ended in tragedy. Something happened that shook not only Godhra, but the entire country. The peaceful town of Godhra was about to witness an event that would leave an indelible mark on its history. The Sabarmati Express, with many people on board, suddenly caught fire. Flames engulfed the train and chaos ensued. 59 lives, my friend, 59 lives were lost in that fire. Innocent souls who had no idea that their journey would end in such a horrific manner. Parents lost their children, brothers lost their brothers, daughters lost their parents. The pain and sorrow were unimaginable. There were screams and cries everywhere, people running to save their lives. The scene was chaotic, with emergency responders trying their best to control the situation. That was the day Godhra cried, the whole country cried. The news spread like wildfire, and the entire nation was in shock. This incident shook the country. People from all walks of life came together to mourn the loss and demand justice. The fire of hatred was ignited in people's hearts. Anger and frustration led to violence, and the situation spiraled out of control. And in this fire, Godhra's name got attached. The town that was once known for its harmony was now associated with tragedy and conflict. Godhra, known for its simplicity and brotherhood, suddenly became a symbol of hatred and violence. The transformation was heartbreaking, but friend, it's also true that the people of Godhra didn't lose courage in this difficult time. They stood together, supporting each other through the darkest days. They supported each other, healed the wounds, and tried to live again. The resilience of the human spirit shone through as they began to rebuild their lives. The people of Godhra have decided that they will never let the fire of hatred burn in their city again. They have chosen the path of peace and unity, determined to create a better future for the generations to come. Friend, life doesn't stop, it goes on. No matter the challenges, no matter the obstacles, life finds a way to move forward. It's a journey that never halts, always pushing us to keep going, to keep striving. Godhra also moved on. The pain didn't lessen, the wounds didn't heal completely, but life found its way. The resilience of its people shone through as they picked up the pieces and continued with their lives, finding strength in each other and in their community. Godhra's land is fertile. The farmers here grow gold with their own hands. They toil day and night, nurturing the soil, planting seeds and harvesting crops that feed not just their families, but many others. Fields of cotton, wheat, peanuts, sugar cane, these are the pride of Godhra. Each crop tells a story of hard work, dedication, and the unyielding spirit of the farmers who cultivate them. And the milk, it's the lifeblood of Godhra. The dairy farms here are bustling with activity, as farmers tend to their cows, ensuring they are healthy and well-fed. All of Gujarat drinks the milk from the cows here. The milk is collected, processed, and distributed with care, reaching homes across the state. Panchmahal Dairy, it's making Godhra's name shine. This cooperative effort has brought prosperity to many families, providing them with a stable source of income. There are also small factories here. They make clothes, food items, cement. These industries, though small, play a crucial role in the local economy, offering employment and fostering growth. Godhra stands on its own feet, on the strength of its people. The community is tight-knit, with everyone contributing in their own way to the town's development and well-being. Yes, it's true that Godhra still has a long way to go. There are many areas that need improvement, from infrastructure to public services. It needs jobs, good schools, hospitals. These are essential for the growth and prosperity of any community, and Godhra is no different. But the people of Godhra are not losing hope. They are determined to build a better future, working tirelessly to improve their town. They are working hard for themselves, for their children, for a better tomorrow. Every effort, every small step is a move towards a brighter future. And Godhra's identity isn't just its industry, it's its culture too. The vibrant festivals, the traditional dances, the rich heritage, all these make Godhra a unique and beautiful place. Friend, Godhra isn't just a city of work. Its culture is also very colourful. Hindus, Muslims, everyone lives together here. During Navratri, the Dandiya fever takes over. Even little girls start dancing to the beat of the drums. When Diwali comes, there's light everywhere. Fireworks, sweets, celebrations. On Eid, the whole of Godhra gets decorated. People dressed in new clothes offer prayers at the Eidgah. Savayan and biryani are made. And friend, that aroma spreads throughout Godhra. And the temples and mosques, they're not just places of worship. They are a hope, a belief. People come here to forget their sorrows, to find peace. Yes, it's true that things have changed in Godhra since 2002. People live in a little fear, but still they don't give up hope. Friend, two streams flow in Godhra, one of Hindus, one of Muslims. Both are right in their own place, both have their own existence. For centuries, these two streams have flowed together, nourishing Godhra. But what happened in 2002 changed everything. That fire didn't just burn the train, it burned relationships too. There were cracks between brothers, neighbours started to avoid each other. Even today, that pain can be felt in Godhra. People don't meet as openly as before, they don't talk as freely. There's a fear, a suspicion. But friend, Godhra hasn't given up hope. Even today, there are people here who are trying to unite both communities. They know that hatred cannot be answered with hatred. Love is the only weapon that can destroy this poison. And the children of Godhra, they are different. They don't know hatred. Friend, the people of Godhra have a hunger to learn. They know that education can change their lives. There are government schools here, private schools, technical colleges. The children here are very smart. They are sharp in studies and also good at sports. They just need a chance to show their talent, to fulfill their dreams. But friend, Godhra still needs good schools, good teachers. These children should get the support they need to reach their goals. And Godhra isn't just a city of studies. There's no shortage of talent here, whether it's singing, dancing, painting. The people of Godhra are skilled in everything. Friend, Godhra isn't a big tourist spot, but there are some places here you should definitely see. the Jain temple Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's memorial, and nearby is the Pavagad Hill. Pavagad is very beautiful. There's a temple on top of the hill and there's a ropeway to reach it. From the top you can see all of Godhra. And friend, near Pavagad is Champagne. It's an old city whose ruins still exist. UNESCO has even declared it a World Heritage Site. There's another treat for those visiting Godhra, the food here. The Gujarati thali is famous, but the snacks here are also delicious. So friend, if you ever get a chance to visit Gujarat, definitely go to Godhra. Friend, reaching Godhra isn't difficult. It's easily accessible by road and train. Godhra railway station is an important junction on the Western Railway. National Highway 59 connects Godhra to major cities like Vadodara, Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad. So friend, what are you waiting for? Book your ticket to Godhra and set off on a memorable journey. So friend, this was Godhra, a city with pain and hope in its heart, where there are wounds and also joys. If you liked the video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on our next journey to a new place with a new story.